Good morning, class. Welcome to my video lesson in Quarter 2, Week 3 or Module 3. I am Jaira Garguena and I am your mathematics teacher. So, in this video lesson, we will discuss about zero and negative exponents. So, our objectives or our learning competency on this lesson is to apply the laws involving positive integral exponents to zero and negative integral exponents. So before we proceed, do you still recall what you have learned in your grade 7 and grade 8 about exponents?
Mom. Yes, Mom.
So maybe some said that they forget, and some are still remember of what you learned during that time. Let's have a small activity to refresh or to recall what you have learned about exponents. So, in our activity, identify the kind of exponents of the following given. So, you choose kung unsa ni siya, kung multiplication rule ba siya, division rule ba siya, or power of a product rule ba siya, or power of a power rule ba siya, or power of a quotient rule ba siya. So number 1, what kind of rule of exponent is this?
Multiplication rule of Mom.
Very good. It is multiplication rule. How about this one?
Power of a power of Mom.
Yes, very good. It's the power of a power rule. How about this one?
Power of a product rule of Mom.
Yes, very good. It is the power of a product rule. And next?
Division rule of Mom.
That's right. It is the division rule. How about the last one?
Power of a quotient rule of Mom.
Yes, that's right. It is the power of a quotient rule. Very good. I am happy that you still remember what you learned during your grade 7 and grade 8. I'm happy na na-retain sa inyong puso. So, let's proceed to our discussion. So, zero exponent. So, zero exponent, pag sinabi natin zero exponent, our a raised to 0 is equals to 1. So, where a not equal to 0, so dapat yung a natin hindi dapat mag-equal sa 0. So, any number excluding 0, so kahit anong number basta ni-raise mo sa 0, the answer is always 1. So, tandaan natin na any number raised to 0, kahit gaano pa kalaki yan o kababa, pag na-raise natin yan sa 0 ay, the answer is always 1. So, let's try this. So, we have 5 raised to 0. So, sabi nga sa definition natin, so any number raised to 0 is 1. Another, we have quantity of 1/3 raised to 0. Still, the answer is 1. Okay, another example. 15a raised to 0. So, ito yung 0 natin ay naka-raise lang ng a. So, ibig sabihin, wala'y labot si 15. So, dito, kung yan, ay kapag 15 and a nasa loob ng parentheses at may-raise natin si 0, and the answer is 1. Pero dito kasi, ang 0 natin ay naka-raise lang pang a. So, therefore, ito lang yung 1. And then, imumultiply ka natin ang 15. So, 15 times 1 is equals to 50. You get back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, next example. So, 50 raised to 0 plus 100 raised to 0 plus 250 raised to 0. So, diba? Like 0 exponent. So, our answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 8. And get back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, let's proceed to the next. Negative exponent. So, negative exponent, meron tayong a raised to negative n is equals to 1 over raised to n, where a is not equals to 0 and n is the counting number. So, tandaan natin, pag may nakita tayong negative exponents, ang gagawin natin, basta laging isipin nyo ang reciprocal. Okay, pag may nakita kayong negative exponent, gagawin natin ganon. Get the reciprocal. Right? So, let's have an example. For A. So, we have 3 raised to negative 2. So, kapag may 3 raised to negative 2, so negative yung exponent. So, gagawin natin to, okay, ay magiging 1 over 3 squared. So, ganun lang ang gagawin class. Pag negative yung exponent, so kukunin yung reciprocal. So, magiging positive na siya. Okay, pag binaba natin, and then, 3 squared is equals to 1 over 9. Kasi 3 times 3, that is 9. So, nag-gets ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, next example. The quantity of 2/3 raised to negative 2. Okay. Pwede natin i-apply natin yung quotient rule or division rule, di ba? Or pwede muna, since negative yung exponent natin, kunin muna natin yung reciprocal. Okay, so ganito muna. 1 over quantity of 2/3 raised to 2. And then, saka natin i-simplify by using the laws of rule of exponents. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? And that is 2 squared. Diba? 2 squared. Or 2 times 2 times 2 or 2 times 2 is equals to 4. Ito naman, 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, we have 1 over 4 over 9. Pero, hindi pa ito ang final answer. Bakit? Kasi, ay yung 1, dinivide natin sa fractions. So, para gagawin natin, para makuha natin yung sagot, so, i-multiply natin by getting the reciprocal to. Okay, so, i-reciprocal natin. Then, proceed tayo kay multiplication. So, magiging 1 times 9 over 4 is equals to 9 over 4. So, nag-gets me ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, next. So, para mas maanohin pa natin, so, i-explore pa natin. Apply pa natin yung 0 and negative exponent. So, in example number 3, simplify the following and write your answers with positive exponent. So, example, letter A. So, okay, first, we have x raised to negative 8, diba? So, times x raised to 5. So, applying the product rule, so, atong buhaton is to copy the base, iparehas naman sila. Then, add the exponent. So, add the exponent. So, negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Sabi daw, kailangan na sagot natin na nakalagay ay dapat positive exponent. So, since negative yung exponent, anong gagawin? Is yung reciprocal. So, that is 1 over x cubed. So, yan lang ang gagawin ha. Kapag negative yung exponent, Kapag negative yung exponent, i-reciprocal na. So, another example. We have 4h raised to negative 2 times negative 2h raised to negative 4. So, paano natin gagawin yan? Of course, using the product rule kasi product rule ito. So, i-multiply natin ito syempre. So, 4 times negative 2, the answer is negative 8. And then, h. So, since kaparehas lang naman yung base, and then add yun natin ang exponent. So, negative 2 plus negative 4, the answer is negative 6. So, again, pag nagmumultiply tayo, okay, using the law of exponents, ina-add natin yung exponent nila. So, negative 2 plus negative 4, kaya negative 6. So, ito na ba yung final answer? Of course, hindi pa kasi naka-raise pa yung negative exponent, yung base natin na si h. So, i-reciprocal natin yan. So, negative 8 times 1 over h raised to 6 is equals to 8, negative 8 over h raised to 6. So, this will be the final answer. So, nag-gets niyo ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, more examples. So, simplify and write expression with possible exponents only. So, okay. So, we have p raised to negative 9 over q raised to negative 6. So, since quotient rule ito, apply natin, hindi pala natin maano, right? Why? Bakit? Gano, Usman? Gano? Kasi magkaiba sila ng base. Since both yung numerator and denominator naka-raise sa negative exponent, so ang gagawin natin ay, by the way, para shortcut siya, kikita nyo na ganito kapag both numerator and denominator ay may negative exponent, ipagpalit nyo lang ang pwesto. That will be the shortcut. Okay, yun yung shortcut. So, q, diba? Q raised to 6 over p raised to 9. So, that will be the answer. So, okay, namdumin ninyo pag naka-encounter mo aning mga. So, mag-activity na punta. Kaning activity, igo ra ko mo show. And then, kinsay mo volunteer or akong volunteer, answer, then, i-explain niya kung saan niya pagkuha ng answer. Okay. So, activity 1. Kaning. The quantity of A and B raised to negative 1 is equals to AB raised to negative 1. So, akong pangutana, na-simplify ba ni siya o dili?
Wala na simplify o tawag.
Very good. Very good. Wala siya na-simplify. Why?
Kay bira ang na-exponent. Bitangan ng exponent. Dapat mag-use of law of power of the power rule.
Yes, that's right. Kaya wala na distribute ang exponent sa kada variable. Dili ra si B. Diba? Isa ni siya nga rule? Power of the power rule. Law of exponents rule. Or of the exponent. Power of the power rule. So, diba? So, i-distribute na to by the law of the exponent. So, nagiging A, negative 1, B, and negative 1. Diba? Di pa man na siya ang final answer. Kaya negative pa yung exponent. So, i-reciprocal natin. So, naging 1 over A to the raise of 1 b raised to the 1. So, right, correct, very good. Nagets ng lesson. So, next one. So, the quantity of the 3/4 raised to 0 is equals to 3 raised to 0 over 4. Pangutaran na ko ani. Na-simplify ba ni siya?
Wala pa siyang simplify sa
Yes, very good. No. Ano man?
kung wala niya nagamit ang use of power of the quotient rule na
Yes, that's right. Okay? Wala na-apply niya ang law of the power, law of exponents in the power of quotient rule. So, dapat memorize niyo or remember good na ang mga rules sa exponent. So, like this, dili ra ang 3 ang nakanang exponent sa 0. So, this is the proper 3 raised to 0 over 4 raised to 0. Diba? Ang 3 to the by the 0 exponent. Any number that have 0 exponent except from 0, where ang base is dapat ang a dili 0 or ang base dili 0 is equals to 1. So that's why any number na nag-raise to 0 equals to 1 except kung ang base ay 0 and define as 0. So 1 over 1 is equals to 1. Very good. Okay, sige. It gets good. Gets good more. So, next one. Activity 3. Evaluate me. So, find the answer. Find the solution. Ani. Then, tell me yun sa nimo. So, okay. Ano sa may answer, Ani?
C po, ma'am.
That's right. It is 101. Why?
Kay 10 times 10, 100 plus 1 na siya 101.
Very good. By answering char. So, diba? Ang power, ang exponent sa 10 kay 2. So, 10 times 10 is equals 100. Then, by the 0 exponent, 5 to the raise of 0 is 1. That's why it's 101. Very good. So, next one. 5 times x raised to negative 2. So, asa man inyong answer, ano?
Letter A, ma'am.
A ba? Try to analyze.
Letter D, ma'am.
D. Tanawa ang exponent.
C po, ma'am.
Yes, oh, correct. Letter C. Why man? Nanghilom man. Kaya ako explain why. Kay tungod si 5 of x, di sila isa. Multiplication, multiply. Okay ra if plus. Okay ra if plus, then isa sila sa okay ra if dili pwede siya plus. Okay ra if sila duha sulod sa parenthesis o nasa gawas ang exponent. Since kani kay nakita man na ang x ramay na raised to 2, wala appeal si 5. So, mo na siya. So, 5 over, using reciprocal, over x to the raised to 2. So, ay yun magkalimot ha kung asa ang exponent na kapunta. Sayang si Pitsikyat Pirata. So, okay. Get one whole sheet of paper and answer these silently. Okay, human na. Very good. Answer na. And here is your assignment. Copy and do your homework in your home there. Okay, human na. I hope na na-learn mo, na nag-enjoy mo aning lesson. So stay safe and always be cautious during gawas na sa mga. Always wear mask, sanitize your hands, wear face shield, and stay away 3 meters away from people to avoid COVID or the virus. So see you next time in our next lesson. Bye.